Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create AI avatar video with your smartphone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. So you can see in here I install wondershare virbo. With this app you can create AI avatar video. So I'm going to open this, and here you can see the first one is talking photo and the next one is AI avatar video, and you can see it's more tools. So we are going to create AI avatar video. Now click on create video, and here you can see the portrait video and landscape video. If you want to create short video, then you can select 9:16, or if you want to create YouTube video, then you need to select 60:9. I'm going to select this one and click create now. Now we need to put some text in here so you can easily understand. So I'm going to paste my text in here. So you can see in here it show me the second 15 second. You cannot create more than 1 minute video. So you can see my minute in here, 50-second video. Or you can generate a script from here. So I'm going to click on confirm. After that you can see our caption is enabled. You can also enable or disable this. So I'm going to disable this. Now I'm going to change my avatar. So you can see in here there are many avatars available. You can choose any of these. And click on done. And click on done. Then we are going to change our background. There are many type of background is available. You can use any of these. If I select this one, now you can see our background is changed. Or you can select green background. Like this. If you want to remove your background later in your video. So I'm going to select this one. In import, you can also import your photos and videos. If I import this one, now you can see our image in here. So I'm going to close this one. I don't need this image. In voiceover, you can also add voiceover. Asia, Chinese, English. So I'm going to select English. Then you can play this audio.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds. Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot.
So I'm going to select this one, and you can also apply this voice in all your video with this one, and select this. And now I'm going to click on export. It may take some time to export our video. Now you can see it's generating our video. After generating, I'm going to play this video so you can easily understand how it works. Now you can see it's generate our video. Now I'm going to play my video.
Today we're diving into an essential topic that affects all of us, the definition of time management. Whether you're a
So now you can see our video. I'm going to click on save to album to download our video. After that I'm going to my gallery and play this video again.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic that affects all of us, the definition of time management.
I think this one is pretty good. So in this way you can easily create your AI avatar video. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.